Well, folks, we got this new Optima battery, and I thought we would just look and see, a little unboxing, and if I can do it all here with one hand, see exactly what we got. It's nice that they say that the it's a non-spillable battery because it's a dry cell, but that's a good thing because UPS delivered it upside down. So we were getting ready to go on a long drive to Yellowstone Park from Tennessee, and that's when I discovered that the battery we had in our RV was bad and needed to be replaced. So we got this Optima battery. This would be the best. Well, it looks nice. Let's see what we got in here. That's heavy, as it should be. So, it supposedly comes fully charged. Looks like we got a tray. And some parts to secure it. And different configurations. Well, let's go put it in. Working a little smarter, not harder, and use the cart. And here's what we're going to need: is a screwdriver and a socket. I'm using a 5/16, I believe it is, and just disconnect. I've already got the ground off, and we'll undo this one, the positive, which is the red one. Once you loosen it, you can pretty much do it by hand. Ensure that the ends are nice and clean, good contact. Trying to find a place to lay everything so it don't fall. And we're going to simply just loosen this nut down here. Little screw. Pretty simple. And the hard part, get a good grip and lift this old battery out. And the new Optima M. This is a 800 cold crank. Pretty good sized battery, and it feels it. And the weight. Okay. And just to put it back together the way we found it. The black to the negative, ensure you see your little negative minus sign. and the positive over to the plus sign. Like I said, make sure your terminals are good and clean. And I'm going to need 2 hands to do that, so we'll get back to you after I get it put together. There it is installed. Just tighten up the 2 nuts holding the brass ends nice and tight, and kind of work that back down around there. Insulator on it, and we should be good to go. Now, one thing that Optima does recommend, and that is using a C-Tech trickle charge if you're not going to be driving it a lot, which, and as you can see, we put this in a motorhome. It's something that sits for a while, but these C-Techs seem to work really well. They got some different settings on them for motorcycle, car, and even a winter setting, and so it's worth the money, in my opinion. Alright, so I think I ought to wrap that up, get rid of the old battery, take it back, and we're good to go. Have a good day, and God bless.